is liquidity in cryptocurrencies? Today's video will talk about liquidity specifically in cryptocurrencies. Let's begin. What is meant by liquidity? The ease with which an asset can be transformed into another asset without impacting its price is liquidity. Liquidity, in simple terms, refers to how fast and effortlessly an asset could be purchased or sold. In this context, decent liquidity implies that an asset can be acquired by rapidly and effortlessly without significantly impacting its price. On the other hand, bad or illiquidity indicates that an asset cannot be purchased quickly. Alternatively, when it can, the transactions will significantly impact the asset's price. Cash equivalents or cash is the most liquid assets because they can be quickly transformed into other assets. In the cryptocurrency world, a stablecoin is a similar kind of asset. We can see that stablecoins and other digital currencies are not universally accepted as payment methods. Still, however, it is just a question of time before they are. In either case, stablecoins now account for a large portion of the cryptocurrency market's volume, making them highly liquid. On the other hand, trading assets is a play of relocating bits around in computers in the era of electronic exchange and cryptocurrencies. Because trying to clear a transaction is pretty simple, this offers some liquidity benefits. Types of liquidity. Accounting liquidity. Accounting liquidity is a common phrase associated with enterprises and their balance sheets. It pertains to a company's financial positions and its ability to pay off short-term liabilities and current liabilities with cash flow and current assets. As a result, accounting liquidity is inextricably linked to a business finances. Market liquidity. The degree to which a market enables assets to be purchased and sold at fair price is known as market liquidity. These would be the assets' values that are nearest to their intrinsic value. In our scheme of things, intrinsic value implies that the lowest cost at which a seller is prepared to sell is near the highest price a purchaser is keen to purchase. The bid-ask spread is the difference between the two values. Importance of liquidity in the crypto world. There is a convention that just because cryptocurrencies are digital currencies and assets, they ought to be fairly liquid. Well, that's not entirely true. Liquidity in some crypto assets is far superior to that in others. This is merely a side effect of increased trading activity and economic efficiency. A few markets would have a daily trading volume of only a few $1,000s. In contrast, others, on the other hand, might have billions. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum don't have a liquidity issue. However, other coins have a substantial liquidity problem in their respective markets. Comment down what you understood from this video and let me know what you think about it.